Back at it once again. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly money watch. It's crazy to think this is number 21. We're going to keep this going. As always, if you haven't already, make sure to like the video. You're here for a reason. We're going to go ahead and get into this. I'm not going to take too much of your time. There were some global events that took place over the weekend that may or may not affect the market. Either way, we're going to navigate the best way we know how. Things have been going well. Last week in the market, we did see some downside. That's okay. We got the levels. So everything is looking good to go for this week. So as we always do, we're going to get into the Robinhood Roth IRA. As you can see, there's been a little pullback. Man, I was so tempted to this week to kind of cheat a little bit, add to the portfolio, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to cheat. I'm going to go ahead and keep this thing consistent. So if you know somebody that wants to learn how to trade stocks, or somebody who wants to learn to invest, to become a long-term investor and set themselves up for a fantastic future, make sure to refer them to the channel. And if you want to support the channel, go ahead and click one of the links in the bio. There's going to be a lot of opportunities this week. I'm looking forward to it. Let's get into the economics calendar for the week of April 15th. This week, a lot of Fed speaking going on, U.S. retail sales, business inventories, home builders conference, San Francisco Fed president. Tuesday, housing starts, building permits, industrial production. Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks. Wednesday, more Fed speak. And Thursday, initial jobless claims. You'll hear a lot about that. Existing home sales, you're going to hear a lot about that. And some more Fed speaking going on. There were some global events that happened over the weekend, and I mentioned how they may or may not affect the market. And as you can see, we had a pullback on Bitcoin. And the reason we're mentioning Bitcoin is because that's the only thing that you can actually trade on the weekend at the time when the news dropped. So we did hit some lows, but we have recovered off the lows, and we're holding above 65,000. So everything is looking solid there. So let me go to the 1 day, and I'm on Coin Market Cap, by the way, if you're not familiar with this site. So we hit a low here, pushed up, made a higher low, and we're currently holding above 65,000. Something I'm going to look at, Fear Greed Index right now, right? So the Fear Greed Index, if you're not familiar, there's a few different factors, and this is by CNN, and just to kind of determine the fear and greed in the market. This is not an indicator of whether something is going to go up or down, but just the overall sentiment of the market based on multiple different factors. So if you want to check that out, go to cnn.com/markets, fear, greed. Right now, it's neutral 46. If we check out the timeline, when we hit October lows, we're down about 21, right? And then at the, we got to about 80 in December. Now, as you can see, obviously the market continued to go up, right? So it's not necessarily a directional thing, although when things are in the direction of extreme fear, those do create some definite buying opportunities. But yeah, so right now we're pretty neutral. A lot of those factors include what people are buying, market momentum, market volatility, put call volume, things like that. So fear greed index, yeah, we're neutral right now. So not a directional thing, but just kind of understanding where we stand. Some people are thinking there's going to be a crash, and some people are extra bullish, right? But there's a lot of people protecting their portfolio to the downside because they think we've had a crazy run. Everything is algorithmic, so the computers are doing most of the work. We have targets for the year end. The market is designed to go up, so we are going to continue to invest at the same pace we've been investing. So let's get into The almanac for the week. It's tax time. Everybody likes taxes, right? Everybody likes taxes. I haven't met a person who doesn't like taxes. Everybody likes taxes. Gas tax, soda tax, breathing tax. Income tax deadline, Monday before April expiration. The Dow has been up 21 of the last 35 trading sessions and down 11 of the last 19. Bullish overall for Tuesday. Over 71.4% of the time, NASDAQ and SPY have both been bullish, and 61.9% of the time for Dow. April exhibits strength after tax deadline in recent years, and April 1999, first month ever to gain 1,000 Dow points. April expiration day, the Dow has been up 18 of the last 27, but down 6 of the last 10. So, what are we going to do in this market? Are we scared? No, not at all. Not at all. There's winners on both sides, right? So, we're going to go ahead and do what we do. Let's get into these setups. It's going to be pretty quick. Not going to take too much of your time. What I am going to be looking at this week is KeyBank. Pretty simple. Some notes on there. They have earnings on the 18th before market. So definitely be aware of that. We got quarter chart, month chart, week chart, day chart. I believe we got an entry on the day. Yes, we do. It's going to be a 212 day. So let's get it. 212 day above 1462. Pretty clean there. I actually zoom out. Kind of see where we are. Above yearly broad information. I believe it may. Let me see. What is this? Yeah, broad information there on the year. Pretty clear. So we're above that inside month. We'll see what happens there. 212 day, 1462. You like that? All right, let's get into it. FSLY, interesting, interesting chart there inside a quarterly above weekly, broad information. See what we got on here. 2 day, pretty clean right there. See if we can get out this consolidation. See what we're looking like. Currently failed 2 down on a month. Push back up. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see how it goes there. 2 day above 1375. And the last one, I'm going to continue to punch the bell, especially on gold, silver. Silver, we got another entry. Now, last week, we had the entry, 2512. We got a run from 2512, 27, 20, over 27 and a quarter, right? If you go to watch list number 12, had it on there. Go check out what I said the first target would be. So we had original entry 2072. Then we had the 2512. We have another entry. This is going to be on the 4-hour as well, just like last time we had it on the 4-hour. So this is, let's see, this is a 2124 4-hour above 2512 here. So we got this outside bar here, right? So we just need a move above 589, right? We're at the bottom side of that, pretty clean. So we got all the continuity. We know quarter, month, everything. We know target. We know the circumstances, and I'm going to continue to look for those to move. So, man, I think we did okay, right? Taxes, water tax, tax on gas, fuel, utilities. It's a lot of taxes. Everybody likes taxes. Anyway, if you guys got any questions, make sure to put them in the comments below. Appreciate all the feedback. Make sure to like if you haven't already and subscribe to the channel so you can get these videos as soon as they drop. Once again, it's your man. Gang VIP. Money Watch number 21. Looking forward to having a great week. Catch up with you guys next time. Peace.